Hello, beautiful bosses. Business plans are crucial, especially because lenders and banks do not want to lend money to you without a strong business plan. Lenders and investors won't take you seriously without the proper business plan. Most businesses failed without a business plan. This information will assist you in creating a business plan that will help you operate a lasting successful business. Important information that needs to be included in your business plan. Tell your reader what your business, why it will be successful. Your business description. Your service market analysis. Marketing and sales. Funding request. Financial projection. The three most essential purposes of a business plan are creating an effective strategy for growth, 2 to decide your future financial requirements, and 3 to attract investors, including angel investors and VC and lenders. Executive summary. This is the first page of your business plan. It should consist of a mission statement, which explains the key focus of your business, as well as a brief description describing the products or services offered, necessary information such as ownership structure, and a summary of your plans. Business description. This section provides an overview of your business. It consists of essential information, including your business registered name, address of any physical business, names of key people in the business, history of the business, nature of the company, and more details concerning products or services that it offers or will offer. Objective statement or business goals. An objective statement should clearly explain your business goals and contain a business plan that details how you plan to accomplish them. It describes exactly what you'd like to accomplish, both in the short term and over the long term. If you're looking for outside funding, you can use this section to explain precisely why you have a clear need for the funds, how the financing will assist your business to flourish, and how you plan to achieve your growth targets. The key is to provide a clear explanation of the opportunity presented and how the loan or investment will grow your business. Business and management structure. Here, you'll list your business's legal structure, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation, as well as key employees, managers, or other owners of the business. It should also include the percent ownership that each owner has and the extent of each owner's involvement in the business. Products and services. In this section, you can detail the products or services you offer or plan to provide. It should include the following: an explanation of how your product or service works. The pricing model for your product or service. The typical consumers you serve. Your sales and distribution plan. Why your product or service is better than what the competition is offering. How you plan to fill orders. You can also discuss current or pending trademarks and patents associated with your product or service. Marketing and sales plan. This explains what your marketing strategy is and how you will carry it out. Here, you can address how you plan to persuade customers to purchase your products or services or develop customer loyalty, leading to repeat business. This section can also highlight your business's strengths and focus on what sets your business apart from your competition. Business financial analysis. If you're a startup, you might not have a lot of information on your business financials yet. However, if you're an existing business looking for small business loans, you'll want to include an income or profit statement, a balance sheet that lists your assets and debts, and a cash flow statement and demonstrates how money comes into and goes out of the business. You may also include ratios that highlight the financial health of your business, such as net profit margin, the percentage of revenue you keep as net income. Current ratio, the measurement of your liquidity and ability to repay debts. Accounts receivable turnover ratio, a measurement of how frequently you collect on receivables per year. Financial projections. Is for the first 2 years of your business. These projections are forecasts of your cash inflow and outlays, incomes, and balance sheet. They display bankers and investors how you will repay loans, what you plan on doing with your money, and how you will grow. Are you interested in growing your business? Buy a business marketing course for $25. Be empowered, confident, be a beautiful boss. Beautiful Boss goal is to teach people essential online business courses to assist you with running a successful business. beautifulbossrink.com. Websites where you can create your business plan.